jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with few lines on Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December all over the world. On this day, Jesus Christ was born to Mother Mary in Bethlehem. Although this is a Christian festival, but people of different communities also celebrate it with full enthusiasm. People make many delicacies and decorate their houses. Churches and Christmas trees are decorated. People believe that Santa Claus appears and gives gifts to children. People buy gifts and clothes for the poor and needy. This festival spreads the message of love, care, sharing and blessings. This festival brings good luck and pleasure in our lives. Merry Christmas! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ho ho ho!